maduong'. Jatend piny William RUTO e kinde manoloso e odiechieng' mar nyasi mar alam ne piny Kenya wacho ni ne otiyo kod omenda maromo milion 10 kende kod esa ndege manodhi godo e piny mar Amerka. Oyango bende ni ndegeno ne omiye kod osiepene kaluwore ni tiyo kod ndege ma pacho ka mano Kenya Airways nengone ni malo kendo ne dhi monyo omenda mathoth mag jopiny.
I am a very responsible steward. Believe you me. There is no way I can spend 200 million. There is no way. In fact, let me disclose here that it costed the Republic of Kenya less than 10 million. Because, let me tell you, I am not a madman. When I was told the cheapest plane was 70 million, I told my office, go book Kenya Airways. Yeah. So when some friends of mine heard that I was going to travel Kenya Airways, and we have built a big reputation as a country. We have built friends. Some friends told me, how much do you want to pay? I said, I'm not ready to pay more than 20 million. They said, bring 10 million, we will give you the plane. Look at me, Kenyans. Look at me again. I must lead from the front. As I tell others, to tighten up their belt, mine must be where to begin.